All right, Dan, it's amazing to me. So in the midst of all of this, Bank of America goes and raises its 2030 global semiconductor TAM to 2.7 trillion from 2.3 trillion. And it's remarkable. You deal with this on a day-to-day basis because you've been an advocate of this group. What are you telling people today?
Well, listen, every so often these kinds of days happen. The bears come out of hibernation and they all claim it's Armageddon. It's just not the case. By the way, 2.7 trillion was our forecast months ago. So Bank of America, they're just finally catching up. We see a situation in which that number could be over 3 trillion. The bottom line here, Charles, everything you said, you just have to go outside and walk around to actually witness in the world the way AI is being applied into companies. That's the real thing here. Everyone that's got a bear case is basically coming out and saying, no one's using it. China's going to disrupt it. The Iran war, we can't get rare earths. All these stories that come out every once in a while.
DeepSeek was a thing at one point. Everything.
Complete nonsense. Yeah. And by the way, the entire story that was built on saying, oh, they used $6 million. It was billions of dollars of NVIDIA chips. So you have to take this stuff with a grain of salt. And if you're an investor, someone said this to me the other day. They said, Daniel, lock in. You have to lock in and understand that this AI trade is much more robust. And it has a very long horizon.
You think part of it is just people don't know, and the other part is just like this is upsetting the traditional Wall Street paint by numbers approach? I think really a lot of it's the latter.
Yeah, I think people get scared when they see charts that look like SanDisk and they look like Micron. They go, there's no way, even though people like me come out and say, well, it's 9 times forward. And this is durable. And it's going to be constrained for 3 or 4 more years.
Let's talk about Micron. Your firm, you have a buy on it, $1,500 target. Again, you see strong demand for DRAMs and NAND chips. Average selling price up huge, 45, 50% quarter over quarter. I mean, you're seeing amazing things. When you see these articles come out, and it seems contradictory that hyperscalers would be actually issuing bonds and yet not going to be buying the high bandwidth stuff or paying up for all this stuff right now.
Well, look, the Anthropic Micron partnership tells the secret, tells the whole story. It tells everything you need to know. 2 or 3 years ago, that was all about partnerships with chip makers. Now the partnerships are with memory makers. Why is that? Well, basically the memory is now just as strategic as these whole systems come together. Memory, networking, compute, it's very strategic.
So Micron is a legendary American company. I wish it got more props from where it came from, Idaho, to what it does for our country right now. Qualcomm, Irwin Jacobs, also, in my mind, a hero, right? A business hero. They've got a big countdown to their investor day tomorrow. What are you anticipating?
Yeah, I'll be there. Look, for the last year, I've been beating the drum on this one. It's not without execution risk. But the bottom line is this company's moving from smartphones, they moved to automotive, they've moved to IoT, and now they're getting into the data center. We're going to hear about custom chip deals. We're going to hear about data center chips, CPUs, custom AI chips, and networking. It's going to add billions of dollars to the TAM. We've sized the market, and we think Qualcomm has the right to win a small % of the market. It's got the sophistication of its business, its engineering capabilities. And Charles, one more thing. They know how to do low power, and we know how important power is today.
So I want to ask you about this. Nadella really starting trouble. Okay. So Microsoft's Nadella saying we can't let AI giants eat the economy. Here's an interesting line. You can't say, hey, all white-collar jobs are gone and this could even be a weapon. We will use all the power to build data centers. The public, he said, will not tolerate a few models and companies doing all of the learning in the world. Of course, he's taking a shot at Anthropic and OpenAI. But I think also it's ironic for a company to talk about any kind of monopoly, but it shouldn't be Microsoft. But what do you make of this? This kind of stuff adds jitters to the market.
Yeah, I mean, can you love a company and also hate its rhetoric at the same time, Charles? Because I love Anthropic and the technology and the product. I think Dario has done a tremendously great job at moving public market cap to his private market valuation at a rate that no other CEO ever has. But the truth is not what he's saying. Jobs are not all being displaced. And you hear people like Alex Karp come out and talk about how the companies that will get the greatest benefit from AI are the ones that are going to put people with the AI together to deliver exponential results. They call it the forward deployed engineer, the forward deployed business model. And that's what Satya is talking about.
Quick, I got less than a minute, but I want to ask you about this, right? Because this is a lot of folks are also saying this is a problem. Tokens. Tokens, Javon's paradox or whatever you want to call it. But right now, the top 1% of companies are spending almost $7,500 per employee on tokens. Everyone else, 11 for the next top 10%. Your average company, only $11. Is there a happy medium here? In other words, can the hyperscalers get their money back? Can AI make money on this if this is a situation where only a handful of companies can really use them?
Charles, we went in 2 months from token maxing to token optimization. big companies are now narrowing into projects that they can definitely monetize, drive productivity, drive efficiency. But now this AI is going to be run with the partnership of the CFO. The finance part of the company is going to be looking, but when it generates the returns, they're going to dive in, invest more. So I think this is a little bit of a bump in the road. But what we're seeing is companies going from AI everywhere to saying, where does AI drive value to our business? And they'll invest big there.
Right, but you feel over the bottom line, though, this would be a non-event. AI is going to be interwoven.
These are more bear stories, like, oh, Microsoft's pulling back, Uber's pulling back. Look, these companies gave people wild spending amounts to just do anything with AI.
Look over and Joe spent $500,000, you know.
But they're saying, like, what are you doing? So they're finally asking the question, like, what are you doing with AI? But companies that are applying it to the right problems are going to get exponential returns on their investment, and that will scale. The Jevons paradox thing with AI, Charles, very real.
Good stuff, my man.
Great to be with you.
I'm glad you're here today. We needed you today. All right, folks, my next guest says that there are divergences all over the economy, here, abroad, but you have to be nimble.